Hello students, welcome to Ant's classes. Let's do linear equations in one variable, exercise 14b, page number 176. Question 7. A number decreased by 30 is the same as 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So when you see the word same, you should understand we are talking about an equation. That means this part is the left hand side and this is the right hand side, and we are saying that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So now that you know, let's read the question. Find the number. So let's begin by saying let the number be x. Then what are we given? We are told that the number decreased by 30. That means this number decreased by 30. So how do we write that? The number is x, decreased by 30 means minus 30. Then what else are we given? 3 times, it says 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So first we have to find out what is 3 times the number. The number is x. So 3 times the number means 3 into x. So this is 3 into x. Then let's see this. 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So 14 decreased by 3 times the number. Let's write that. So that will be 14. Decreased means minus 3 times the number we have already found to be 3x. So 14 minus 3x. Now let's read the whole question. A number decreased by 30 is equal to 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So let's write it down. The number decreased by 30 is equal to 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So here the number decreased by 30 is this, x minus 30. So let's write that, x minus 30. This is equal to 14 decreased by 3 times the number. 14 decreased by 3 times the number is 14 minus 3x. So 14 minus 3x. Let's get all the x terms to one side. So here we have x on the left hand side. From the right, let's bring x here, so it becomes plus 3x. On the right we have 14. Let's take minus 30 to the other side, it becomes plus 30. So here now we have x plus 3x, that is 4x. 14 plus 30 is 44. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 44 divided by 4. Let's cancel 4 ones and 4 11s. So x is equal to 11. That means the number that we are asked to find is 11. Question 8. A's salary is 4 times B's salary. If together they earn so much a month, find the salary of each. So if A and B, if we add up their salaries, we will get this much. But how much is their salary? That's what we need to find. Here we are told A's salary is 4 times B's salary. So we know what A's salary is, 4 times B's salary. But we don't know the salary of B. So let's say let B's salary be X. That means A's salary is 4 times B's. That means 4X. And here we are told together they earn so much per month. That means A's salary plus B's salary will be equal to 3,750. Now let's substitute for A's salary. A's salary we have written as 4x. So that means 4x plus B's salary, and B's salary is x. 4x plus x is equal to 3,750. Now 4x plus x is 5x. 5x is equal to 3,750. Now let's find the value of x. X is equal to 3,750 divided by 5. This we can cancel. 5 ones are 5. Let's take 37. 5 sevens are 35. 2 is left, 25. 5 fives are 25 and 0. So now we know that x is equal to 750. And what is x? X is the salary of B. So we know the salary of B. B's salary is 750 rupees. Now A's salary, what are we told? We are told that A's salary is 4 times B's salary. That means 4 into 750. 4 into 750. And that is equal to 3,000. That means A's salary is 3,000 rupees. So we have found the salary of B and we've also found the salary of A. So let's write that A's salary is 3000 rupees. So let's write that A's salary is 3000 rupees and B's salary is 750 rupees. Question 9. Separate 178 into two parts so that the first part is 8 less than twice the second part. So we are told what the first part is, but we don't know what the second part is. So let's let the second part be x. Okay, so that means the first part is given is 8 less than twice the second part. So if the second part is x, what is twice the second part? That will be 2x. Now we are told first part is 8 less than twice the second part. So the first part will be, now here 8 less than twice the second part, and this is twice the second part. So that is 2x. 8 less means minus 8. So now we know the first part is 2x minus 8 and the second part is x. Now both together, that is the first part and the second part, should add up to 178. So first part plus second part is equal to 178. This is given to us. So what is the first part? The first part is 2x minus 8 plus the second part. And what is the second part? X. And both together add up to 178. So now let's simplify this. 2x minus 8 plus x is equal to 178. Let's simplify the x terms. 2x plus x makes it 3x. 3x minus 8 is equal to 178. Now let's find the value of 3x. 3x is equal to 178 plus 8. I've moved the 8 to the other side. So now 3x is equal to 186. We can find the value of x. X is equal to 186 divided by 3. Now let's cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 sixes are 18, 3 twos are 6. So x is equal to 62. Now that we have found x, we can find both the parts. Okay, so the first part here we said is 2x minus 8 and the second part is x. That means we already have the second part and that is 62. Now what is the first part? The first part is 2x minus 8. So let's work that out. So 2x minus 8 is the first part and x we know is 62. So 2 into 62 minus 8 will give us the first part. So 2 into 62. That is 124. 124 minus 8. That is equal to 116. So this is the first part. Okay, so the first part is 116 and second part we have found is 62. So we've got our answer 116 and 62. So the two parts are, first you can write down the first one, that is 116, and then the second part, that is 62. So we've got our answer there. Question 10. 6 more than 1/4 of a number is 2/5 of the number. Find the number. So let the number be x. Now here it says 6 more than 1/4 of a number. So 1/4 of a number and the number is x. So 1/4 of that means 1 by 4 of x. And that is equal to 1 by 4 into x, which is x by 4. So this is 1/4 of the number is 2/5 of a number. Here it's given 2/5 of the number. That is similarly 2 by 5 of the number, which is x. So that is 2 by 5 into x. 2 into x is 2x by 5. So here we have this word is, that means it's equal to the left hand side. This whole thing will be the left hand side and this will be the right hand side. So what is on the left hand side? Now, 6 more than 1/4 of a number is equal to 2/5 of the number. So we know what 1/4 of a number is. 1/4 of a number is x by 4. And 6 more than that means x by 4 more means plus 6 is equal to 2/5 of the number, which is 2x by 5. Now we have to solve this. Now let's get all the x terms to one side. So we have x by 4 here and we have 2x by 5 here. Let's bring this side. So now what do we have? We have x by 4 minus 2x by 5, and we can carry the 6 to the other side. It becomes minus 6. Now let's solve this. Now here this is a subtraction of fractions. So we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So now 4 into 5, so we multiply x into 5. X into 5 is 5x minus 5 into 4 is 20. So we multiply 2x into 4. 2 fours are 8. So that is 8x. And here we have minus 6. 5x minus 8x is minus 3x. So this becomes minus 3x by 20 is equal to minus 6. So let's find minus 3x. Minus 3x is equal to minus 6 into 20, because we have transposed this 20 to the other side. Now let's continue this here. So that will be minus 3x is equal to minus 6 into 20 is minus 120. Now we can find the value of x. So x is equal to minus 120 by minus 3. We can cancel the minus signs. We can cancel 3 and 120. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12, 40. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 40. That means we were asked to find the number, isn't it? And that number is 40. So we've got our answer. So the number is 40. So let's write that here. Our number is 40 and this is the answer. Question 11. The length of a rectangle is twice its width. If the perimeter is 54 centimeters, find its length. So we are told that the length of a rectangle is twice its width. So we don't know what the width is. So let the width of a rectangle be x. That means the length is twice the width, means 2x. Twice that. And we are also told the perimeter is 54 centimeters. Now we can use the formula of the perimeter to find the length. So what is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth, and the perimeter is 54. So here we can substitute for length and breadth and find the value of the length. So here let's write 2 into length is how much? 2x. Plus breadth we said let it be x. And together this is equal to 54. So let's multiply this. 2 into 2x plus x is 3x. This is equal to 54. So now let's multiply. 2 into 3x is 6x. 6x is equal to 54. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 54 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 9. Now we are asked to find the length, isn't it? And here we have said that the length of the rectangle is 2x. That means this is 2 into x. And how much is that? 2 into x is 9, which is equal to 18. So the length of the rectangle is 18 centimeters, and this is our answer. So let's write that. Let's write the answer. Finally, we can write the answer as 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters is the length of the rectangle that we were asked to find. Question 12. A rectangle's length is 5 centimeters less than twice its width. Okay, let's just start with this beginning part alone. So here we are told about the length. The length is 5 centimeters less than twice its width. Okay, that means we don't know what the width is. So let's begin by saying let the width of the original rectangle be x. Now why are we saying original? Because here we're going to continue to talk about one more rectangle. So let the width of the original rectangle be x. That means the length of this original rectangle is 5 centimeters less than twice its width. So the width is x, twice its width is 2x, and 5 centimeters less than that. That means 2x minus 5. So much is, now let's write the centimeters here and centimeters here. This is the length of the original rectangle. Now let's continue. If the length is decreased by 5 centimeters, that means we're going to get a new rectangle whose length is decreased by 5 centimeters. So let's write that. So the new length is the original length minus 5 centimeters. So what is the original length? 2x minus 5, and this length minus the new length, which is 5 centimeters. This is the new length. So now let's work this out. This is 2x minus 5 minus 5. So this is 2x minus 10. So this is a new length, this much centimeters. Then we are also told that the width is increased by 2 centimeters. So the original width is x centimeters. We're going to increase it by 2 centimeters. So we get the new width. The new width will be the original one, which is x plus 2. X plus 2 centimeters. So now we have the new length 2x minus 10 centimeters and the new width x plus 2 centimeters. Now they're saying the perimeter of the resulting triangle, a rectangle, that means the new rectangle, the perimeter is 74 centimeters. So that is the perimeter of the new rectangle, and the formula is this is 74 centimeters. So 74 centimeters, that means 2 into length plus breadth is 74 centimeters. So this is for the new rectangle. So now we are going to substitute length and breadth. We are going to write the new length and the new breadth. So let's do that. So what does this mean? It means 2 into length. The new length is here, this one. This is the new length, 2x minus 10. So let's write that. 2x minus 10 plus the breadth. And how much is the breadth or the width? X plus 2. So that is x plus 2. Okay. So this we're going to put it within brackets, and then all this is equal to 74 centimeters. Now let's simplify this. So 2 into, now in brackets let's write 2x minus 10 plus x plus 2 is equal to 74 centimeters. So again let's simplify this. 2 into 2x, here we have 2x plus x making it 3x. And here we have minus 10 plus 2 making it minus 8. And all this is equal to 74 centimeters. So let's continue this side. So here we're going to say, now 2 into 3x minus 8 is 74 centimeters. We're going to take this 2 to the other side. So here what is left is 3x minus 8 is equal to 74 centimeters divided by 2. So 3x minus 8 is equal to 37. Now let's find the value of 3x. 3x is equal to 37 plus 8. So 3x is equal to 45. Now let's find the value of x. X is equal to 45 by 3. We can cancel. 3 ones are 3. Here also 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. So x is equal to 15. So we have found the value of x. What are we asked to find in the question? Find the length and width of the original rectangle. So here we have the width of the original rectangle is x centimeters, which is 15. We found it out to be 15. So let's write it here. So this is 15 centimeters, the width. Now the length is 2x minus 5. That is 2 into 15 minus 5. 2 into 15 is 30. So 30 minus 5 is 25. So we have found the length and the breadth, length and the width. The length is 25 centimeters and the width is 15 centimeters. I hope you can see it here. This is the length and this is the width. So we have found our answer. So the length and width of the original rectangle are 25 centimeters and 15 centimeters. So this is our answer. 25 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Question 13. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 57. Find the numbers. So we have heard this before. Three consecutive numbers. Consecutive means numbers that come one after the other like this. But here we are talking about odd numbers. That means we take the first number, leave out the second, take the next number, leave out the next, and then take. That means we are skipping one number. So in that case, the numbers will be x, x plus 2. Why are we saying x plus 2? Because we are skipping out one number. We are leaving out one number and going to the next. X plus 2. Then again we are leaving out one number and going to the next one. X plus 4. So the three consecutive numbers here are x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. And we are also told that the sum means when you add up these three numbers, the answer is going to be 57. So the sum of the three consecutive numbers is 57. So we're going to find the numbers. That means if I add up x, the first number, the second number x plus 2 and the third number x plus 4, I will get 57. So now let's add up all the x terms. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 3x terms. 3x and the whole numbers are 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So plus 6 is equal to 57. So now we can find the value of 3x. 3x is equal to 57 minus 6. So let's do that. 3x is equal to 57 minus 6 is 51. That means x is equal to 51 by 3. Let's cancel. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 17 is 51. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 17. Now we can find the three numbers because we said in the beginning that the three numbers are x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. So let's write the first number. So the first number is x, isn't it? The first number is x. So that is 17. So the first number is 17. Now the second number we said is x plus 2. So that is 17 plus 2, which is 19. And the next number we said is, the third number is x plus 4. And x is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. So can you see the three numbers? 17, 19 and 21. They're all odd numbers and they come one after the other in the odd numbers. We are leaving out the even numbers in between. So what are the three numbers? The three numbers are 17, 19 and 21. So the three numbers are 17, 19 and 21. So let's stop with this, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.